Welcome back to our channel. Today are the 2025 Bajaj CT 100. Known for its unbeatable reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability, this bike continues to be a favorite among budget-conscious riders and daily commuters. The 2025 Bajaj CT 100 comes with a 102cc BS6 compliant engine that generates 7.9 PS of power and 8.34 Nm of torque. These specs may sound modest, but they're perfect for the purpose this bike is designed for: hassle-free urban and rural commuting. The engine is fine-tuned to deliver excellent fuel efficiency, achieving a jaw-dropping mileage of up to 89 km per litre under standard test conditions. This means fewer fuel stops and more savings over time. Its lightweight yet sturdy frame makes handling a breeze, whether you're navigating congested city streets or cruising on open roads. The upgraded suspension system, featuring telescopic front forks and spring-in-spring rear suspension, ensures a comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. The ergonomic seat design adds to the comfort, allowing for longer rides without strain. The CT 100 retains its practical, no-nonsense design, with a minimalist yet functional instrument cluster and bright halogen headlamps for excellent visibility at night. Additionally, it comes with tubeless tires for better durability and convenience, reducing the risk of sudden punctures. Perhaps the biggest highlight of the 2025 Bajaj CT 100 is its price. Bajaj has managed to keep it highly affordable without compromising on essential features, making it a true value for money proposition. Whether you're a student, a daily wage worker, or someone looking for a second bike, the CT 100 delivers unmatched utility and savings. In conclusion, the 2025 Bajaj CT 100 is more than just a bike. It's a reliable companion for anyone seeking efficiency and economy. With its solid performance, low maintenance costs, and impressive mileage, it continues to be a benchmark in the entry-level commuter segment. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly bike, the CT 100 deserves your attention. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more bike reviews. Let us know your thoughts on the CT 100 in the comments below. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.